It is done. Finally, it seems like Samsung has decisively surpassed Apple in one major area. The Galaxy S23 series will have the best gaming performance possibly on any flagship in its class. Yes, the heart of the Galaxy S23 series, aka the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, this chip has a stronger GPU performance than Apple A15. In fact, not just Qualcomm, but even MediaTek's upcoming Dimensity 9200 chip has a ridiculous graphical performance which absolutely towers Apple A16's GFX benchmark scores. As you can see in the chart, the next gen MediaTek GPU was able to achieve 328 FPS while we had 280 on the Apple A16. According to Ice Universe, Qualcomm has a similar GPU performance as the next gen MediaTek chip, which means Galaxy S23 series will absolutely surpass the Apple A16 powered iPhone 14 Pro phones. Now, Apple may still be the king of CPU, but GPU and gaming performance is going to be the absolute peak on the S23 series and also other Android phones, utilizing the next gen solutions from both Qualcomm and MediaTek. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, the Galaxy S23 series might get announced much earlier than any Galaxy S flagship announcement ever in history. Yes, we have a poster leak from this Korean carrier which shows the Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus, further confirming the leaked patternless design for these phones and also revealing the pre-order date, which is going to be 5th January, meaning that could actually be the date for the Unpacked event. It also states that the pre-order customers will get free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Now, this leak is coming from an unknown source, so we don't know if it's actually true, but considering how Samsung has very little design changes going on with the S23 series, they might actually launch these phones much earlier than ever before, meaning you won't have to wait too long for the next Samsung beast, aka the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, last but not the least, according to Korean news, Samsung is aiming to ship 270 million smartphones for 2023. It's a 10 million increase from the 260 million target that is set for this current 2022 year. This is a pretty good realistic goal that Samsung can actually achieve. Considering how the smartphone market is these days, it's very hard to achieve this number considering how Samsung had unsold smartphones for the year 2022. So it makes sense for them to have a realistic goal, which is still actually more than what they have done in 2022, which is about 260 million. Samsung is starting the year strong with the S23 lineup, and hopefully we're going to see some great Galaxy A series phones as well as some even better folding smartphones and maybe even a next gen sliding phone or something like that. We'll keep an eye on all the latest leaks, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new video. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.